guys, it's Yashita and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of today's video, I'm back with another Miniso haul and I have a very exciting news for you. Miniso India is now available on Amazon. So this haul that you're gonna see today is an online Miniso haul, and I also wanted to let you guys know that I ordered these stuff months before the lockdown, so you don't have to worry. And yeah, if you guys want to see a box full of Miniso products, please keep on watching this video. But before we get started with today's video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please abhi jaake subscribe karo. Also hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. You can also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And yeah, now let's get started with today's video. So whenever I make a Miniso haul, I always read a lot of comments जिसमें लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारे सिटी में, हमारे रीजन में Miniso स्टोर नहीं है. Now Miniso is on Amazon, तो आप सबके लिए शॉपिंग करना बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. The process of shopping on Miniso online was very easy, very smooth. You have a wide range of products that you can choose from. इस haul में मैंने different products choose किए हैं different categories से, ताकि आपको एक पूरा idea मिल जाए. Also the delivery of the products was super fast. Of course अभी lockdown चल रहा है, अभी circumstances बहुत against है हर चीज के. When I ordered these products, I received them within 2 days and I was really happy. So I'm going to be mentioning all the links of the products that I show you in this haul, the link of the website, and of course a 20% coupon code for you guys, so you guys can enjoy a 20% discount. Okay, so now finally let's get inside this Miniso box. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this panda plushie. Now I'm pretty sure आपने मेरे काफी वीडियोस में इसको ऑलरेडी देख लिया होगा, या फिर अगर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर रहे हो तो भी आपने देख लिया होगा. So yeah, this is the panda plushie. It's from the Miniso's We Bare Bears collection. You guys already know that I'm a sucker for cute plushies, and I mean this is so cute, so I had to get this. I got this one for 490 rupees and I already know this कि Miniso के जो plushies है उसकी quality बहुत अच्छी होती है और बहुत affordable price में मिल जाता है आपको. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this neck pillow. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, मैं Miniso store पे भी गई थी इसको लेने, पर out of stock था and I finally got this on Miniso online store. जितने बार भी मैं travel करती थी, flights में जाती थी, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि you know मेरे पास neck pillow नहीं है. I really needed it. I mean अब तो पता नहीं कि हम कब travel कर पाएंगे और क्या होगा, but still I have got my neck pillow ready. I got this one for 230 rupees. Quality is also pretty decent. The color is a very nice pastel blue. इसमें 2-3 color options और थे. अभी तक मैंने इसको as such use नहीं किया है of course, because travel नहीं कर सकते हम, but I'm very excited to use this. Okay, so the next item that I got is this set of really beautiful, aesthetically pleasing makeup brush set. मुझे बहुत टाइम से makeup brushes लेने थे, मेरे brushes बहुत पुराने हो रहे थे. I got this one. The fact that they are so pretty, I mean the packaging of these brushes is everything, and you guys know how much I love cute and aesthetic things. And I've already started using one of these brush as my powder brush, and the quality is really amazing. And you get 3 really nice brushes for only 490 rupees, which I think is a steal. Okay, so talking about makeup brushes, I got another makeup brush set. Now this is an eyeshadow brush set. You get 2 brushes, one angular eyeshadow brush and one blending brush. As you can see, I've already started using these also, and I can tell you for sure that the quality is really nice. And you get this brush set for 250 rupees only. Okay, so the next item in the makeup category is this lip gloss. Now this one is called the Flawless Matte Lip Gloss and it's in the shade Warm Nude. I haven't tried Miniso's makeup range that much, so I wanted to explore that makeup range as well, so I got this. Now I was expecting it to be a very shiny, glossy sort of a lip gloss, but it's a very matte finish kind of a lip gloss, and this shade is extremely nude. So the MRP of this lip gloss is 200 rupees. Okay, so moving on to the next item, I got this box full of cotton pad sheets. This box has 1000 cotton pad sheets, and you also get this really nice clear box with it, so आप future में भी इसमें cotton pad sheet store कर सकते हो. You get this for only 200 rupees. Okay, so the next thing that I've got is this travel kit set. मैंने पहले भी Miniso से एक travel kit लिया हुआ था, but उसमें सिर्फ 3 bottles थे. This one has 5 pieces, and again as you can see it's a very pretty pink packaging. It also comes with these labels which you can stick on these bottles and separate them in different categories. So that is again very convenient. And I got this set for only 200 rupees. So if you're looking to get something like this, of course you can check check Miniso out. And I mean अभी travel के कुछ scenes नहीं है, but I have got all of my travel things ready. Okay, so while we are on the topic of traveling, I have my next item here. This again is a travel pouch. Now as you can see the color, of course I got this for its color. Now the thing is कि मैंने ये सिर्फ traveling के purpose से नहीं लिया है. I always store my things in different pouches. I have so many pouches and I always need more. So yeah, I got this one to store few of my skincare items. So this pouch is for 260 rupees. It has got one compartment and a little separation net sort of a pouch. Okay, so the next item that I have here is this really cute wallet. So I have been using a wallet from Miniso for a long time. तो अब वो बहुत पुराना हो गया था. So yeah, it was time to upgrade to a new one. I really love this bright red color. I mean it's really different from my taste, but again I think I'm trying for something new. So this wallet has 3 compartments. So the first compartment opens on the front where you can store your coins and all, and the second compartment is of course for your money, for all the notes that you can store here. And then you also have this little third compartment at the back, this little pouch where you can store your cards and stuff. I mean the whole feel of this wallet is very sleek and I really love the color as well. I got this one for 460 rupees. Okay, so the last item in this haul is this perfume. Now if you guys have watched my previous Miniso hauls, then you know how much I love Miniso's perfume range. So I got a new one also. So this is the perfume that I got. This one is called Dazzle and the packaging is to die for. I mean हमेशा मैं Miniso के perfumes इसलिए purchase करती हूँ because I love their packaging so much. And the whole look of this bottle, it feels very expensive. Fragrance of this perfume, it's everything. I love the fragrance. It's very musky sort of a fragrance. The price of this perfume is rupees 560. So yeah guys, that were all the things that I got from Miniso this time. I'm gonna end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also in the comment section down below, let me know which was your favorite item in this haul. And yeah, make sure you guys are at your homes and safe, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.